is up, guys? It's CJ here, and we are doing some live trading today. Just kind of vibing out. It is 9:33 p.m. out here in Hollywood, Florida. I think I'll just put this out to my team. We may make it public, I don't know. But we're going to be looking at a couple charts here, starting off with IP. IP's looking extremely clean here. Kind of everything that you got going on with the Wyckoff model is really nice. Looking for a pullback to put in our LPS2, and watching for taps of these fibs within demand. So, all right. IP first up. Now, active position here on Doge. We started confirming the model on Sunday. I limit ordered back for an immediate pullback. We pulled back super aggressively though, right into extreme demand, but we get the bounce back up and establish new LPS 2 POIs. So get tested a little bit there, but now we are basically de-risked on that position because we're moving our stop loss, which was at this line that moved to here. Now is here, pretty much de-risked. So we have a free 0.5 in Doge right now. Market structure is king this morning. We were for New York. I'll put some blue light glasses on here. All right, that's a lot better. It's late. My body wants to sleep, but I'm going to get this video out. So I was just following this structure on Doge this morning. You're getting the break right there. So just following our structure after we put in the LPS1. Now we're looking, and then we're taking this break, I believe is right here. Candle was up here, pulled all the way back, just seeing a lot of buying pressure, knowing that we had that break during London. We had that sell-off for New York. You can see it sell off and then pump. So I was just getting in on the back test market order right there. And then we have been going up on Doge. We'll kind of see we had this supply here that is now can be flipped into demand because we went right through it, completely disrespecting it. So if we don't flip that, we can also come back. We can also come back for this structure demand. So we can put that on the chart. I think it would be clean to just bounce off of this supply to demand flip, but we'll see. We can also use this really good looking structure demand. I'm sure there's demand all the way up, but looking to come to technical target, and I'm looking to hit an extended target on Doge. Don't use the brush enough, I guess. Looking to come here, and then at least here, maybe up into the more macro 618 in supply. This maybe looks like Bitcoin is coming up to that 97, 98K region. We have some good levels there. Here's high time from Bitcoin. On the USD pair, let's see our Euro pair. We need to do the POIs for this. This is not. This looks like good demand though. Definitely got market maker demand up here. Yeah, we're just kind of flowing out here, updating some charts. Gonna take a look at our TA, see if we have any overlapping. Because I think we may. In which case we can make this lighter. There it is. Really fine with Bitcoin Euro, it's just a little bit cleaner than Bitcoin USD. So that will go for the POIs sometimes as well, but it's really to be traded in Confluence with Bitcoin. Not sure what this song is. We need to get into some, yeah, get in a little different mode. Okay, Bitcoin Euro here. I think this level is a magnet. So expecting higher prices overall. Get a distribution in this region right here. That would be super nice. Run it down for the technical target. Should we get some, I guess we should get some market maker POIs here. Look at this Bojan high. Like that. That is that's some nice stuff. Look at this supply we're creating up here. Not sure when we'll use these levels, but I think it would be good just to have them, because these will be heavy market maker levels. Wow. I don't even like that. I like this one. Alright, now our Euro chart's starting to have some more life. Isn't this thing fucking clean? Oh yes it is. Yeah, I think some sort of range in here to go for the low. That would be super clean. I'm feeling this music. This album, shout out this album. Crazy. We can check a couple more charts here. So we checked IP and a sneak peek. Oh, DAX. Okay, we'll live chart the DAX here. Let me show the pre-plan. There we go. So are we going? Looking for a Model 2 here, SW2. Come up to put in a distribution here. We got some hidden order blocks. We got some supply above, but I kind of just like this level. And then rotate it back down. PSY liquidity right here. Looking at this demand, probably just give a temporary bounce. Let's hide those now. Have that compression first move can be the fake move, so let's take a look at this. Is there any entries to be had already? Not the biggest fan of that low. Get an Anders order block. This is unconfirmed. Confirms in 15 minutes. Let's see if there's anything else in the lower time frame. We're starting to see, yeah, wow. Okay. Really liking this level right here. Overlapping with this. I don't know, this is kind of the level I'm liking. Also do have your extreme demand right here. Just dial in on this range. There we go. So we know that we've had a compression. Now we have some demand POIs to work with here. London putting in the PS. Just doing its job. Everything is kind of just worked internally from here, I think. It's also a higher time from order block. We're basing it off these POIs. no real reason to go lower, I wouldn't say. This demand is too low, I would think, so. Yeah, I would like this. Then maybe we're looking to play a distribution. For New York PM tomorrow. New York AM's put in, I think this is Asia. Asia putting in the STB. Maybe we give New York PM LPS. Push it aggressively. Yeah. All right. We'll end the video there. I think that was some good value. You know, we got this pre-plan here on the German DAX. We are looking for an LPS2 entry here on IP. And we are also watching gold. So, doesn't look like I can go to bed, but also, you know, these things might take long, you know, just might take longer than anticipated. Gotta kind of see that we might have a local range here on gold. So, I'm gonna end the video there, but this is kind of what we're looking at. Godspeed to Doge. Peace, guys.